Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making pimento cheese deviled eggs. What all goes into the pimento cheese deviled eggs? 12 large eggs, hard-boiled, 1/3 cup mayonnaise, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1/4 cup chopped pimento peppers, 2 tablespoons shredded cheddar cheese, 1½ tablespoons mustard, kosher salt, and freshly ground pepper. So let's begin. Take your hard-boiled eggs, cut them in half lengthwise. Put the yolks in the bowl and the whites on the platter. Take your yolks that you have in the bowl and mash them with a fork. It's always best to mash the egg yolks up first because then it's easier to mix all of the ingredients and not try to have to smush the egg yolks while you're mixing the other stuff. Some recipes want you to mix it all together at the same time and it just is a lot harder. Then add your 1/3 cup mayonnaise, your juice of 1/2 lemon, your 1/4 cup of chopped pimientos, your 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, and your 1½ tablespoons of mustard. And mix that until thoroughly combined. I think Dave is going to like these. Then salt and pepper to taste. And then your freshly ground pepper. Then take your filling and fill your egg whites with it. And you probably want to fill it pretty heaping. I got plenty here. These egg whites are very, very thin. Just made a mess. Missed the egg white and got all over my fingers. How do you like that one? I missed and it went right into that one. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Has any of you made these deviled eggs? If so, what do you think about them? I like to find new different types of trick eggs. It's so much fun for Dave to try. He may not think so, but I think so. And I'm sure you can garnish that with paprika if you'd like. It did not say so in the recipe, so I didn't. I'm going to cover this up, put it in the refrigerator until Dave gets home, and then he can do a taste test. Here are the pimento cheese deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is slow cooker chicken wings and jalapeno pinto beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming I have some trick eggs here.
You do.
Because I see some red stuff in them. Well, these are pretty good.
That is pimento cheese deviled eggs.
I can live with these. I can live with these.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.